Making relative clauses simpler. Discover reduced relative clauses. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our journey through English grammar. Today, we're diving into an exciting and incredibly useful topic: reducing non-defining relative clauses. This might sound complex, but I promise, with our step-by-step process, you'll be using reduced relative clauses like a pro in no time. Before we reduce them, let's first refresh our memory on what non-defining relative clauses are. Non-defining relative clauses, also known as non-restrictive relative clauses, provide extra information about the noun they refer to. This information is not essential to understand the sentence, so we could remove the clause and the sentence would still make sense. Here's an example. Full sentence. My brother, who is an engineer, is coming to visit. Without non-defining relative clause, my brother is coming to visit. In the full sentence, who is an engineer, is the non-defining relative clause. It provides extra information about my brother, but is not essential for understanding the main point of the sentence. So what are reduced relative clauses? Simply put, they are relative clauses that have been shortened, reduced, by removing certain parts while still keeping the same meaning. Reduced relative clauses can make your sentences more concise and easier to understand. Now we're moving on to the heart of our topic: how to reduce non-defining relative clauses. Usually, we reduce a non-defining relative clause by removing the relative pronoun who, which, that, and any form of be, verb, is, are, was, were, in the clause. We then turn the verb into an ing form if it's present tense or an ed form if it's past tense. Let's use an example to illustrate this. Full non-defining relative clause. My car, which is parked outside, has a flat tire. Reduced non-defining relative clause. My car, parked outside, has a flat tire. In the reduced sentence, which is, has been removed and park, has been changed to parked. It's important to remember that not all non-defining relative clauses can be reduced. If the clause does not contain a be verb, it likely cannot be reduced. The key to mastering reduced relative clauses is practice. I encourage you to take some time to write out sentences with non-defining relative clauses and then try reducing them. Remember to check your work and ensure the meaning stays the same. And that's a wrap on our discussion about reducing non-defining relative clauses. I hope you found this lesson helpful and informative. Don't forget to practice what you've learned and, before you know it, you'll be using reduced relative clauses with ease. Until our next grammar adventure, keep practicing, and happy learning.